Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the tricks and tips I use while shopping online. I'll also let you guys know the common mistakes we all do. So the first thing to know before you shop online is to know your body type and what flatters your body type the most. Everyone has a different body type and different things flatter their body. The one thing you have to keep in mind is that you don't have to fit in the clothes you buy. The dress should fit you. So make a list of things that actually flatter you and you like the most and buy those online. You'll never be disappointed. The next thing to take care while you shop online is to check the size chart and check the reviews. So what you have to do is take your measurements every 3 months and keep that with you. Like for a kurta, what you need is a bust size and the waist size. If you know your size already, you can just go through the size chart and check what fits you, and the product that comes will blow your mind. And also keep in mind that different brands have different size charts. So for example, if you have a 38 size in Libas, that doesn't mean that will be same for the other brand. You have to go actually to the size chart and check the sizes. And when you wear the dresses that are actually your size, that makes a lot of difference. So the next tip is to make list of what you want actually. And also make use of the filters that are available in the sites. So for example, I need a maxi dress in black color. So what I do is I definitely go to the filter section and put the length of the dress as maxi, put the color of the dress as black. And definitely I'll get what I need from there. And I'll not be wasting money on the things that I don't want at that time. So the next thing you do while shopping online is to step away from your cart. So after you have put all the things that you need in the cart, just stay away from the cart for some hours. Go do your things, have a coffee, and come back and see if you really need those pieces, and then go to the payment option. You'll end up not buying things that you don't want at the moment or that you actually don't need it. So the next thing to do is to check the cloth type in Google. So in my case, if I want a black maxi dress, I'll be searching in Google black maxi dress for women's online. What I get from there is that Google has a separate option for shopping. So when you go there, you can actually find where all you have those black maxi dress. Like where all you can get that product. And which all sites have similar styles. That actually makes the process really easy and you can have more options for what you're buying. So if something fits very perfect on a rectangular body type, that is of the model's body type, same thing will be little tight for you in the bottom area if you are an inverted triangle shape and you are heavier on the bottom. Go a size up according to that. So like this, you can actually visualize how that fits you and see what size you have to buy for it. So let's say some of your measurements will come in between of two sizes. So what will you do then? What you actually do is check the fabric type. Do the fabric composition have spandex in it? So what spandex does is, spandex makes the fabric more stretchable. There is only a need of 5% of spandex in a fabric to make it stretchy. So always check if you have spandex in the fabric. So if there is spandex, go for the size below. If there is no spandex in the fabric, go for the size up. Because that's not stretchy and it will not fit you. So the next tip is for when you buy accessories and other products from online. Always look into the dimensions of the product. So if it's an accessory, either they have mentioned the size of the product in the description or in the picture, or otherwise that product is worn by a model. And make sure of the size of the product and then buy the product. So the next tip is for the products that are branded. I'll be keeping the clip this side. So this dress from the and website. So what I'm doing is I'm copying the name of the product and search on the Google and just put the brand name in front. And red maxi dress, and I'll be searching this. So what I saw is it's already there in the ad website for 2000 rupees. So I'll be checking if that is there in any of the other sites. Yeah, the same dress. The same dress is there for 1399 rupees. So that is 1400 rupees. That will be like 600 rupees less than what I was going to pay in the ad website. And this is in the site Tata Click. You can find the same product in different prices in different websites. So check for that and buy from where you get for less. So that's how you save money for the same product. So the last tip I have to give you guys is to check if the website is secure. So when you actually go to the link of the website you're using, you can actually see the HTTPS over there. So the S in that link actually shows that the website is secured. So what it means that when you put on your payment information, your card details and everything, that information won't leak. Your account details and everything is safe over there. Because that single S makes a lot of a difference. So I'll recommend you guys to go for websites that have S in the last, because if at all the details that you put on leaks, it's going to be your own problem. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you all enjoyed it and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. So until next video, bye.